Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Duman here, and today we are going to see how can we add a button in a Unity game. Okay, so first of all, this is our gameplay scene that is open right now. First we need to make a canvas. We can name it home canvas, and after that by default we have screen space overlay, and we need to make sure that we enter the UI scale mode as a screen size and add a resolution 1920 by 1080, so it's matched with our game orientation, you can say. Okay, after that we need to right click and go to the UI, and we can directly add a button TextMeshPro. Okay, so let me bigger the scene view so you can see properly how it will look like. Okay, so this is a button basically. So this is how you can add a button inside a game. So let's make it little polish. So we try to add a panel, and let me disable the button. And what we need to do, we need to make sure the panel has a background. Add it. Let's add a background, and after that we need to right click on the panel, and we can rename it as home screen. It depends on you. Whatever name you want, you can name it. Okay, now I right click and go to the UI and select a button. Now I directly rename it as card button, and I use a card sprite and click on the set native size, and here you can see this is adjust here. We have one issue here, because we have inside a button a text, so that's why it's showing in a text. So this is how we add a button. Another way to add a button, what we can do, we can directly right click, go to the UI, or we can add image, and now we can select that sprite and make the size native and name it as a leaderboard. And after make it leaderboard, we go to the add component and add a button component, and now it will behave as a button. Next way we can duplicate the button, or we can name it play button, and let's choose a play button. Okay, so I think here it will work. Okay, so this is the play button. Yeah, so we can use that button as well. So what I want, whenever I click that play button, then these two icons of the leaderboard or the card button disable. Okay, so let's write down that functionality on the button. Let's say it's a play button. I click on the plus icon, and now we directly add a card button here, and go to the functions. We select the game object and make it set active false. It's uncheck, so uncheck means it will false and check means it will true. So let's do like that. Let's enable the card button and disable the leaderboard button. Okay, it will make sense. Okay, so it will show the splash screen first. No. Okay, so if I click on the play button, we can see our card button active and leaderboard false. So this is how you can add a UI button inside a game in Unity. Thank you for the video.